Hey, Charisma here. Welcome back. I have a question for you. And are you tolerating the indignities of scarcity? Let me repeat the question. Are you tolerating the indignities of scarcity? You're probably wondering, what does that mean? So I'm going to share with you some ideas to help you uncover if you are tolerating the indignities of scarcity. So grab a paper and pen and let's get started. Now, there are two mindsets, right, that we all have, and we can shift from one mindset into the next. Sometimes it's immediately, it's a quantum shift. Sometimes it takes a while, and it's not somewhere. When you shift from the scarcity mindset into abundance mindset, sometimes it takes a while to shift from here to over here, and it's not something that occurs just once and then you're good. It is a daily commitment to always shift from that scarcity mindset into that wealth consciousness and abundance mindset. So my question is, are you tolerating the indignities of scarcity? Are you hanging around or hanging out in scarcity and lack? Are you always focused on what you don't have instead of what you want? Are you always talking about, you don't have any money, or you're poor, or because of the color of your skin, this is why things are for the way that, that are working out for you. This is why your life is the way it is. Or are you just accepting that because you may be going through a struggle, whether that's a financial struggle, emotional struggle, or some kind of economic struggle, are you just accepting that this is the way your life is supposed to be? Are you tolerating the indignities of scarcity? Are you? I want you to really ponder this. Ask yourself these deep questions, because in order for you to manifest what you truly desire, you can't live over here in the scarcity mindset. You can't live over here where you're focused on lack. You can't live over here where you feel like nothing is working out for you, or you don't feel like you're worthy, or you're not a good person, or you don't deserve good things, or you don't deserve to have whatever your heart's desires, or you don't deserve to have a better life. Are you hanging out over here? This is where scarcity live and lack. Is this where you're living? Is this where you spend 99.9% of your time? Are you tolerating what's happening over here? The scarcity, the lack. Every morning you wake up, you go right back into it. Oh, I don't have enough. What am I going to do with my life? Why are things so hard for me? Why is it I live from paycheck to paycheck? Or why is it that money is always running out? Why is it that I always have no food? And I understand that that may be a reality for you, but let me shift you into a different perspective and a different way of thinking and a different way of looking at things. Because it's not until you make a decision that you no longer want to live over here in this realm of of lack and scarcity, that you want to live over here in abundance and wealth consciousness. This is where you want to be living every single day, right? Over here, in this realm. You want to shift from over here to over here. First, you have to commit and make that decision that this is where you want to hang out 99.9% of the time. It's not that you're not going to, a thought is not going to occur that may be of lack or scarcity. But when you open up your consciousness and you are able to recognize the thoughts that keeps you here, the beliefs that keep you over here in scarcity and lack, then you can quickly shift back over to here, where it's about abundance, it's about wealth consciousness, it's about everything is always working out for me. I am divinely led. All of my desires are already available to me. I just got to get clear on them. What are my desires? Where do I desire to be? Right? What is that identity that will allow me to be a vibrational match for the things that I desire? Over here, this is where the abundance and the wealth and the money and the impact and the influence, all those things will dwell. But you need to make a decision to shift from here to come over here. And you stay here and you maintain that vibration and you do what you need to do every single day to live over here and to live in this space of abundance, to mentally shift, even though your reality may be showing you something different, because there is a delay. It will take time sometimes for this to gradually shift visibly for you to see that there is a shift. But the shift needs to first occur in your soul and in your heart before it becomes a reality that you can see and you can touch it. It's not the other way around. It's not when it starts to show up, then you're going to believe, then you're going to shift. No, you have to have that internal shift first. You have to stop tolerating the indignities of scarcity and decide, make a decision that I want an abundant life. I deserve an abundant life. I deserve to live in a place and a state of abundance and wealth and health and well-being every single day that I wake up. It is a conscious decision, and you have to make this decision every single day. Okay? It's not like you arrive somewhere and you're good. It gets easier, but there's always still there's underlying beliefs, or even the people around you may drag you back over here. But it's your job and your responsibility to stay over here and do what you need to come back here. Okay? So this is the key to really to kick these indignities of scarcity to the curb and stop tolerating them. There's a saying, what you tolerate, you allow. Or is it the other way around? What you allow, you tolerate. But it's something like that. Okay? Things will only come into our life when we tolerate them, when we allow them to come in. If you allow yourself to stay over here, then guess what? You will attract and allow all the things, all the scarcity, all the naysayers, and all the limiting beliefs. That's what's going to keep you over here, and you stay over here. But you need to make a decision to shift and stop tolerating the indignities of scarcity and lack. I hope that this video has been of value to you. If it has been, please like it and share it with someone that you know will impact their lives as well. And, you know, it's really a joy to have you here, for you to support me, support my videos, and I'd love to hear your experience with tolerating the scarcity and lack. And if you are ready to shift into wealth consciousness, you're ready to shift into abundance, I would like to invite you to join me in the Next Level Manifestation Academy. I've opened up another realm for students to join me in this academy, and this is where we really help you get your intentional manifestation rolling. If you haven't really intentionally manifested the life, the things that you desire, this is a place for you to be. It is a 4-week journey where you'll be supported to understand how to intentionally manifest, and really for the next 30 days really focus on manifesting one thing. So whether that's more money, specific amount of money, whether that's a better job, more clients, whatever that thing, a new home, you know, we focus on helping you shift and manifest one thing over the next 4 weeks. So join me today. I look forward to supporting you, to help you shift your mindset, to help you move from lack and scarcity into abundance and wealth consciousness, so that you can live the life that you desire, so that you can live the life that you deserve. Okay, so join me. The link is in the description below. I'd love to see you on the inside of the Next Level Manifestation Academy. It's a 4-week group program where you'll be supported to understand how to intentionally manifest, how to intentionally get clear on what you desire, and then really putting the intentions and putting your energy and becoming a vibrational match for that thing that you desire. Join me in the link below, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life.